We left Hahndorf this morning, and do you want to tell everyone about the roads we went down?
Yeah, we picked different ways so it wouldn't be so busy, but it turned out that it was super thin and windy with massive drops off the side. And the van was like over the white line the whole time, and it was just, yeah, it was pretty hectic.
Wasn't a fun time, hey?
No, it was like 30 k's an hour most of it. So.
Yeah. So
Wouldn't recommend.
So now we've stopped in Strathalbyn for a little while.
So we're going to the Tailem Museum.
Yeah.
There it is.
Oh, cool. Alright, let's go. This car was in The Great Gatsby.
Back in 74.
It won the classic, did you say?
When they used to run like wingless for like the original Sprintcars.
Yeah, awesome.
He passed away, and the car sort of met its better days. It's gone out of fashion now for that category of cars. And
Yeah, this is the same motor that's in my TQ Speed Twin.
Awesome. I think you might be a bit starstruck, Ryan.
Oh, it's just a cool car. Good.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Glenn. That was wonderful. We've just been to the Gilbert's Motor Museum in Strath. Call it Strath. Yeah. It was awesome.
Very cool.
Really good. Yeah, some great cars in there. They're really friendly as well, the volunteers. And we got to meet Glenn Dix, who is a bit of a motorsport legend.
Yep.
So that was awesome. It probably is still. Yeah, but it's got technology to... Yeah, so it was really good. Highly recommend. Make sure you go and have a look. They're only open Wednesday to Sunday at the moment. But yeah, it's really, really good. We were lucky that Glenn was there because he's not there all the time. But yeah. So we have arrived at our spot for Christmas.
Wow.
We are staying at the Waterfront Caravan Park in Tailem Bend.
In the Murray River.
Yeah, it's quite pretty. Only problem with walking down here, got to go all the way back up there. Wow, that was an effort. Hopefully it all set. Well, we are enjoying our Christmas Eve dinner. Little bit of roast lamb in the smoker.
And veggies.
And veggies. Yum.
A couple of beers.
And wine. Good morning everyone and Merry Christmas! We have been having a lazy morning, so we're going to have our brunch, which is the first meal of our Christmas day, and that is ham and cheese croissants, which we have every year, and I popped them in the air fryer, so yeah, I'm looking forward to them. Alright, Christmas lunch in progress. Smells so good. Ah, you always
That went
win.
all through my dinner as well.
So we didn't actually get to eat our mousse for Christmas Day, so we're having it for Boxing Day brekkie. So we're in Bordertown today and we are heading to the Speedway for Speed Week and it's the first time that sprint cars have been to this new track. Is that right, Ron?
Mm-hmm.
So history making. Pretty exciting. Just dropping a pin where our car is so we don't lose it. The Speedway.
Awesome track. Unreal, actually. Just need to fix up the venue, like it's brand new, so...
They're still getting it all sorted.
Yeah, once they get that done, man, it'll be epic. Racing was sick.
Yeah, what about the speed?
Yeah, they were hooking.
Pretty fast. Anything else you'd like to add?
No. Just enjoying a scotch now, I'm going to go to bed.
Okay. Nighty night.